the VanDOit roof rack. So this roof rack is made with the same material that is made on the inside of the van, except this is black extrusion. And what this does is it allows you to have, again, like on the inside, it allows you to have endless tie down points on the outside of your van like you have on the inside of the van. This is what roof rails are. These are mounted on the top of the van and are required for any roof rack installment. Awnings can be installed onto the roof rails. This is a Smitty Built roof rack.